Spotted some kind of discharge in your panty? It's nothing to worry about, just vaginal discharge. Vaginal discharge refers to the secretions from the vagina. The discharge may be thick, pasty or thin. The color and the hue may vary, depending on the time of the menstrual cycle. People will tell you stories about the discharge, mentioning it is not safe, but there is no truth to such stories. Remember, vaginal discharge is normal and healthy. So, if anyone tells you it's not, you need to get their facts cleared. It's nothing to be ashamed of, it's a part of your body, and you need to accept it. There are glands inside the vagina that are responsible for releasing fluid. The fluid may look yucky to you, but it keeps you healthy and happy. The discharge keeps the vagina lubricated, the tissues soft, which ensure that the walls of the vagina do not chafe. No lubrication means dryness, itchiness, and a whole lot of discomfort. The fluid also provides that the level of the bacteria in your vagina and cervix is regulated, which makes sure that the vagina is clean and free of infections. Also, let's not forget that the vaginal discharge promises you painless sex, and you'll notice a little more than the usual discharge amount when you're sexually aroused. The vaginal discharge is important to keep the risk of bacterial infections at bay. The pH balance of the vagina is acidic, which discourages infections from occurring. This acidic environment is created by normally occurring bacteria. A healthy vagina produces secretions to cleanse and regulate itself, similar to how saliva cleanses and governs the environment of the mouth. Having said this, I just want to clear the air that exists around the topic. Women who say it has never happened to them are surely lying. Now that we know that no matter what you do you will always spot a little bit of discharge, it is essential to maintain the hygiene. Women have been told time and again that they shouldn't be using any vaginal douches because the vagina has its cleaning system, and a douche would just upset the vagina's very own, delicate pH balance, which is not true. Does this information make you feel better? I hope it does. But, if you still think you have vaginal discharge that is more than normal, then you can consult a gynecologist who will guide you to understand everything about it. As far as the treatment is concerned, there is complicated treatment, just a few oral medicines and antibiotic creams. However, it is necessary that you take the medication only under a trained gynecologist's prescription for best results. Celebrate your bodies, ladies, and your healthy, happy vaginas.